Procreate Ruler Tool. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Procreate Pocket on your device and prepare to create a simple drawing using straight line assistance. Create a new canvas so you have a blank workspace for the tutorial. Tap the brush icon on the interface. Choose any drawing brush from the brush library so you can easily see the line behavior. Next, tap the Actions icon located in the top menu. Select the Guide tab from the panel that appears. Choose the 2D grid option to activate the drawing grid. Adjust the grid size if needed so the spacing fits your drawing scale. Tap Done to apply the guide settings. Return to the canvas to begin drawing. Start drawing a line across the canvas. When you reach the end of the stroke, hold the stylus or your finger on the screen. The line becomes straight automatically as the QuickLine feature activates. Keep holding the line without lifting your stylus. While holding the line, tap the screen with another finger. The line will snap to fixed angles for better alignment. Release the stylus to confirm the straight line. Draw another straight line on the canvas. Hold the stroke again to activate QuickLine once more. Adjust the line direction slightly before releasing. Use the grid as an alignment guide while positioning the line. Draw vertical straight lines by following the grid columns. Draw horizontal straight lines using the grid rows. You can also use this ruler-like method to build simple shapes. Combine multiple straight lines to construct boxes, frames, or geometric designs. When you finish drawing, open the Actions menu again. Turn off the drawing guide so the grid disappears. This method helps create clean, structured illustrations and technical-looking drawings. Practice repeating the steps while drawing different angles and shapes. Use the grid often to maintain spacing and balance. Continue building lines carefully until your composition looks organized. Straight line control will become faster with regular practice. Once satisfied, review the artwork and make small adjustments if necessary. Then export the final image for sharing or printing.